Okay, let's look at different ions and compare their sizes of the radii. So we're going to compare lithium ions, magnesium ions, bromide ions, and tellurium ions. Okay, so now you as a student would have to look at the periodic table to help you out. So here's our friend, the periodic table. Okay, so lithium is right here. Okay, and let me see what else we have. Magnesium, bromine, and tellurium. So magnesium is right there. Bromide is right there. Tellurium is right there. Okay, so the point is that as a trend, the size of the radius changes depending on whether you're going vertically or horizontally. Okay, and so generally speaking, as you go down this way, size increases. So radius increases. And as you go left to right, generally speaking, size decreases. And the reason for this has to do with the different kinds of energy levels. As you go down, you get more and more energy levels. So the electrons, the valence electrons on average, get further and further away from the center. So they're more likely to get bigger and bigger and bigger. But as you go left to right, the size actually decreases because you have more protons and more electrons that are attracted to each other, that they kind of bring them closer to each other. Okay, so now that we know that, let's go back to our list of ions. Okay, so Li plus was, lithium itself was pretty high up in the periodic table, so that's going to be pretty small. So we'll say that's the smallest. And now, if I look at the other ones, right, magnesium, bromide, and tellurium, magnesium is right here in the second period, actually the third period. Bromine is in the fourth period, and tellurium is in the fifth period. So as I go down, the radius gets bigger and bigger. So I predict magnesium to be smaller than bromine, and bromine should be smaller than tellurium. So if I go back to here, these are actually in the correct order. This is going to be the largest. And then the two in the middle are going to be intermediate between them.